Hey guys, this is Kevin with Watchhimtrade.com. Today's date is April 12th, 2015. This will be a video chart on Twitter, TWTR. So Twitter has two short-term uptrends in the works right now. First is this one off of the $45 low when you tried to break into the base of the gap from earnings but ended up reversing, and that's when you've been rallying from ever since. That was in mid-March. The second is just a higher low here, what I'm calling number 2, from later in March when you came towards 46. Looked like you might break lower but ended up reversing to the upside, and again you've been rallying since that time. So these two uptrends here, as long as you're above them, I like Twitter to the upside. This one here, the one that I called number 2, this is number 1. This one is the more aggressive momentum one, where if you're holding it, which you tested it pretty perfectly on Friday, on Monday, tomorrow, it'll be right around 51.50s. If you're holding it, I like immediate term upside back towards the high at 53.50. Below it, and that's where this secondary uptrend line comes into play, which lines up with about 50 bucks, 49.50 on Monday, but by the end of the week it'll be above 50, 50.20s, 50.30s or so. So watch Friday's low and this uptrend. Just watch 51.50. To me, I think Friday's low is like 51.38 or something like that exactly. As long as you hold it, I like the upside trade in the immediate term. Below it, I'm looking for a move back down towards 50 bucks psychologically, and also that's in line with this uptrend line. To me, Twitter is nice and simple. Stay above $50 now moving forward, and short term, you look really good to the upside. Longer term, if you break below 50, you still look okay, but you just have to hold this base here around 45, 46 bucks. If you were to break below that base, that's where Twitter really opens up back down towards the 42 to 36 range. Those were the lows from late 2014 and the early part of this year. If you did break below 50, again, I said longer term it's not a problem until you break 46 to 45, but in the short term, she would definitely see some, or have the potential to see momentum lower, into that 48 to 46 range. I think right now the long trade's been working pretty well on Twitter. Buying dips is working. You just want to stay above 50 bucks in order to be able to keep buying dips. And ideally, you don't want to even come down to 50 bucks. You just want to hold this steeper trend line here and ride it towards 54 to 55 bucks.